Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create a flowchart with ChatGPT. So creating a flowchart with ChatGPT is actually very simple. So you're just going to go ahead and write your prompt here. Say for example, I'm going to go ahead and use plant.uml by the way. This one, this is the thing that we are going to use in order for us to create a flowchart. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click this one here, this image, and then you should see something like this. Again, this is plant.uml. We're going to go back here in ChatGPT and make sure to include that in our prompt. So I'm going to say here, create a plant.uml flowchart about Amazon's delivery process. All right, just like that. So now you can see that it is working on a code right now. And you can see the title here, Amazon delivery process. Go ahead and scroll down and then you can see that now it has ended the code. So we're just going to go ahead and copy this code, go back here and then paste everything and then click the submit button. Now, if you're going to scroll down, you can see this Amazon delivery process flowchart. So you can just go ahead and open this one in a new tab and you will see an image of it. Now, from this point forward, you can right click and save this as an image, or there are other options in here. For example, we have here pure JavaScript, PNG, SVG, and this ASC2 art. So yep, that's how you are going to do it. Should you wish to see more of these videos, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below.